starting my college day, I want to get ready. Literally something super minimal. It's literally the thing that excites me. It makes me feel good about myself when I am wearing a well put together outfit, but I haven't been doing anything to my face, and I officially just washed my hair last night, so I'm feeling good about today. So yeah, literally the last time I was like in person was like in high school, so like my style has changed, everything has changed. I feel like I regret not like going to school all dressed up. Well, not even all dressed up, just like looking my best and feeling my best. So that's the only thing really keeping me alive right now, is playing dress up to school. That is literally the only thing that's like motivating me to go to class. And also my classes are super easy so far. I don't know about statistics, we'll see. I feel like that's gonna get real boring real quick. As for plans for today, I want to go to like a cafe and do the whole studying, or like the library. Maybe I'll go to the library and study. Kind of think I need to make a Target run because so today I decided to go with a graphic tee and some cargo pants, paired it with some dunks to match my shirt, and yeah. Another outfit combination I like to wear is an oversized sweater and some like low-rise flared pants, and with some platform shoes. In this next outfit, I also choose some low-rise jeans, but I put a baby tee with it. I absolutely love baby tees. And on top of that, I layer it with a jacket just in case it gets cold, and with some platform boots. In this next outfit, I really wanted to channel my inner Rory from Gilmore Girls. And if you don't have a dress code, you could totally wear it with a skirt and with some leg warmers. It's super cute and perfect. Now, this outfit is a little more like dressed up. I would only wear this if I had some sort of presentation, or if I was just feeling extra sophisticated that day. Going back to the basics, a baby tee with some baggy jeans matching with your shoes. Just another super easy and comfortable and cute outfit to wear to school. And if you have dress code, you could also wear this shirt like this and it's still super cute. So today I ended up going to the library, and honestly that was such a game changer. Like, changing your environment is super important, not even just to romanticize your life, but it can be super boring to be kind of studying and doing your homework in the same places. So spicing it up, like going to the library or a cafe, can be super refreshing, and also just like a change in routine is always good. Also, just another tip, if you're like me and you love to organize and plan out your whole life, get a Notion. It's free and honestly super fun, and it's fun to just organize your whole life. I can do a full in-depth of how I use it to organize my life, so subscribe if you want to see it. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. Another way to spice up your day is just eating out with a friend and vlogging it. Honestly, you don't even need to upload it. Like, the amount of times my friends and I have just been vlogging our days and just like laughing, like, it makes life more interesting while also being productive. Okay, I'm finally back home. It is super hot. I was literally sweating and dying outside. It was like 90 degrees. Like, it's starting to get hot out. It's literally February. It's not spring yet, so like, let's relax. Like, it's not summer yet, California. Like, let's bask in the coldness, because I just enjoy the cold. I ended up picking out this book from the library, One of Us is Next. It's like the sequel to One of Us is Lying, so I'm really excited to read this because I read One of Us is Lying like really quick, and they have a whole TV show out, and I tried to watch it on Peacock, but Peacock, they know what they're doing, because they gave the first 3 episodes, I believe, for free, and then you have to like pay for a subscription. So I was like, ha, no. So, and I already read the book, so there's no point. So yeah, I got this book from the library. I was looking for The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, checked out. All the Colleen Hoover books, checked out. So I'm gonna go back, but I really did enjoy being at the library. Like, I've never done that before, and I feel like the key to romanticizing the school life was like being at the library where there were other people my age at the library doing like kind of the same thing. I didn't do much studying or like homework because my computer died and there was no outlets like where I was sitting, so I just was like reading a book. I was reading a manga that I started a long time ago, but I got bored, and I'm more interested in like suspenseful, like thriller, like romance books. Right now I'm doing a series where I bought my dream wardrobe online, and I'm waiting for things to come in, and finally stuff came in. The first package came in. Guys, I know there's been a delay, like all the clothes are taking a really long time to get here. But yeah, the clothes are starting to come in and I'm really excited, so really be on the lookout for that video. It's coming out very, very soon. So yeah, subscribe so you don't miss out on when I actually do the haul and try on haul part of my buying my online wardrobe. I'm so excited. Recently I've been going out on walks around sunset. It's also just like super pretty, and just like listen to music and kind of just live that main character life. And here's Bella.
No more working in bed. I'm sorry. If you want to go work on emails for a second, get out of bed and sit on the fucking living room couch to do it. Don't work in bed.
She's so right though, like working in bed or just like doing everything in your bed, it makes me feel less productive, and at the end of the day, I'm just like, I've been in bed all day and I might have been doing work in bed, but because I was in bed, it just doesn't feel like that. So ever since then, I've just been like going to my desk, putting it to use, doing all my homework there, and honestly I feel way better at the end of the night when I'm in bed and I'm like, yes, I did work. I was actually not in bed the whole day. So yeah, another tip, just stay out of bed, go to your desk, move to a different environment. Another thing I've been doing every day is starting and ending my day with my to-do lists. They're honestly super fun to just even check off, but it also keeps me on track of just like things I need to complete, because if I don't have a to-do list and I wing it, I end up ending my night thinking about all the things I could have done. I recommend writing to-do lists. They keep you on track, honestly. Lastly, another way to just romanticize your life is go on some late night drives with your friends. Of course, when you don't have any homework or any responsibilities, it's super relaxing just to like enjoy life, look at the scenery, especially at night, and listen to some good music.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting